Hello viewers and friends, it's a great opportunity to be here with you all today in the EA Water exhibition. We are almost concluding, so I have a privilege to share my company's profile and our achievements with you. As you see the boards around, we are the leading manufacturers of air compressors and blowers and vacuum technology systems. We are probably the exclusive ones. We started way back in somewhere in 1980s and we gradually grew up. Today we are almost 100 crore company with a team of more than 70-80 qualified engineers working with us. We are catering to major leading companies all over the country and even exporting quite a bit to various countries. Now we have big plans. Our young team has joined us. They are all qualified engineers. And now we plan to build a world-class factory so that we can capture the export markets. We have already started working on it and we see a great potential in India, especially on these areas of water treatment, effluent treatment, because yet a lot is to be done. There is a large gap between a developed country and our requirements of effluent treatment and drinking water. I think this EA Water is a very good forum where international players can also come in and see the great potential our country has. I have just seen around and I see that there are many foreign participants making this exhibition a special one because they all see a huge market in India. I am very confident that we'll be able to do very good because this is a technology where we Indians can work hard. Now I have with me Mr. Daksh, who's looking after the marketing, and I'll hand over the mic to him to tell him his future plans, what he wants to do in another coming 10, 15, 20 years to go from now.
Hello, and I would like to, first and foremost, looking at this grand affair we have had this time in Delhi, I would like to congratulate the team of Earth Water Group, people who have put in all the hard work in making this event a big success. I am getting good feedbacks from the team and hopefully we will participate henceforth in all the coming events. So big cheers to you guys. Now, as far as the water sector is concerned, we are very positive and we see a huge potential in the time to come in the maybe cleaning of water and in various type of water wastewater treatment plants. Everest has always been a technology-driven company. Everest has always been always had engineering at its core focus, and our aim has always been not to deliver equipments to our customers but to understand and deliver solutions for various applications. In today's date, we are very happy and proud to say that we are the largest company manufacturing blowers in India. We have a monthly production of over 550 machines and we are planning to double it in the coming 5 years by even exporting our machines to various parts of the Asian subcontinent, to export our machines even to some developed countries wherein we have started looking for dealers already. Also, individually in the blower sector, we are the only company to have approval from for R&D from Department of Scientific Research. We have been spending huge amounts of our revenue in the R&D and trying to develop high-speed machines, trying to develop machines having lower noise levels and improved performance. Power is another major constraint which we are trying to focus on, and for that in the blower line, of course, we have now introduced turbo blowers. Turbo blowers are of various types, and these blowers definitely can improve the performance and reduce power consumptions in common effluent treatment plants and big sewage treatment plants. So this sums it up, and I think brief about Everest. Once again, thank you to the team of EA Water for such a wonderful event, and to all the team members of Everest who have always put in more than 100% to make sure the company grows and does well in the time to come.